Hey guys, how you doing? We're in Puerto Rico again because we live here. Surya Sol Sun. Taking a nice little virtual tour. Surya Sol Sun virtual tour walking. Virtual tour of Puerto Rico, Santurce live today.
Ponce de Leon walk through, seeing all the beautiful coffee shops, the places to eat, the people up and about in their cars driving, and also the scenery. You're going to see some beautiful trees. A staple in Puerto Rico, living one with nature.
Here we go. We'll be quiet. Enjoy. Guys, Puerto Rico is about experiencing it, and sometimes when you go on vacation, you plan all these things, but just inside certain towns, if you knew where to walk, you can walk and be able to grab a little coffee, a little nice little bite, support a local business. That's the thing that we look at with Surya Sol Sun is
Let's give thanks. Wish anyone well that needs it.
we're gonna go up in a nice area right now. To some people, they would say it looks like Hogwarts. There we go. That's the Ballet School of San Juan. Beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. There we go, guys. Look at this place. See that? Amazing place. Look at that, guys. See? Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at what Puerto Rico has, guys. Oh. Wow.
We're gonna journey up stairways to the heavens. And guys, look, they are having classes right now inside of these buildings, this building. School time. We're gonna walk. We're gonna love. We're gonna love all the children in this school. We thank you. And we love you. We thank you. We love you. Take a look at this, everyone. Live with nature. It's what life is about. Giving back to the youth, giving back to the earth, enjoying life at its finest. Understanding you gotta live in harmony with yourself. You gotta live in harmony with the world around you. We're gonna head back down and continue.
People.
Vendors, livelihoods, providing service to people throughout the day. You see this place is very patrolled by the police, allowing for optimum cleanliness and safety as well.
Guys, if you're looking for a spiritual retreat, we can meet you and take you on these spiritual walks. The whole time you go to different places. They're actually not on a lot of places the way we do it. We do it with ourselves and bringing forth the manifestation and allowing you to experience this. So that you're not paying $5,000 a retreat, guys.
Take a look at these beautiful trees. All these rainbow eucalyptus trees are all over Santurce, Ponce de Leon, and it's great to just admire. All right, everyone, we're very close to our destination. We'll catch you later soon.